Are you looking to get an EverWebinar 30-day free trial? In this video, I'll explain exactly how you can access that, plus give you a quick rundown of EverWebinar itself so you know what to expect. Stick with me till the end because I've got an exclusive offer for you that you won't want to miss. Let's dive right into it. First off, EverWebinar is an automation software that lets you host webinars, but it does more than just that. It's designed to give you a complete solution for running evergreen webinars, meaning webinars that run on autopilot 24/7 without you needing to be there. If you're looking to boost your business and automate parts of your sales funnel, EverWebinar can really make a difference. So, how do you get that 30-day free trial? The first thing you need to do is head over to the first link in the description below. That's where you'll be able to claim your EverWebinar 30-day free trial with our exclusive bonuses. You won't find this offer anywhere else. Just click the link, fill out the details, and you'll be able to start using the platform with no obligation. Next thing, once you're signed up, you can immediately start exploring EverWebinar's features. The software allows you to schedule webinars, customize them, and even set up automated follow-ups with your audience. But what's great about it is that everything is automated, so you can engage your audience without having to spend hours in front of the camera. The third thing you'll love about EverWebinar is its flexibility. You can set up multiple automated webinars for different audiences, customize the webinar experience for viewers, and even integrate with your email marketing tools. This way, you can create a truly seamless experience that works for you without having to micromanage every detail. The fourth thing that makes EverWebinar so valuable is its detailed analytics. You'll be able to track how your webinars are performing, see how many people are engaging with your content, and find out where you can improve. This data helps you optimize your webinars for even better results. By now, you might be wondering, how does this free trial work exactly? When you sign up using our exclusive link below, you'll get access to EverWebinar for 30 full days, absolutely free. No hidden fees, no commitment. It's the perfect way to see if this software fits your needs without any pressure. So, what can you expect at the end of the 30-day trial? After that period, you can choose to continue with EverWebinar, or if it's not right for you, simply cancel before the trial ends and you won't be charged. But given the power and versatility of this tool, I think you'll want to stick around. Finally, make sure to stick around until the end, because I'm reminding you that when you click the first link in the description, you'll get that extended 30-day free trial plus those exclusive bonuses. That's a deal that's hard to beat. So, there you have it, how to get an EverWebinar 30-day free trial and all the key things you need to know about this powerful tool. Be sure to check the first link below to grab your free trial and start automating your webinars today.